Hello guys, I am Gorana. I am a marathon runner and an ultra cyclist. Welcome to my channel Fit Moral Runner, where I share videos related to running, cycling, fitness and many more. Guys, today I will show you 5 basic exercises which you can do at home without instruments. So guys, the very first exercise is jumping jacks. Steps to follow: stand upright with your legs together, arms at your sides. Bend your knees slightly and jump into the air. As you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms out and over your head. Jump back to starting position and keep repeating. Guys, jumping jacks are a full body workout that can target major muscle groups, strengthen bones, and improve cardiovascular fitness and heart healthy. It's a basic cardiovascular exercise actually that can be done in limited space. Keep repeating. So guys, second exercise is sit up. The step to follow: lie face up on an exercise mat with your knees bent and your feet on the floor. Place both of your hands on the sides of your head without interlocking your fingers. Your spine and pelvis should be in a neutral position. Slightly tuck your pelvis and bring your ribcage down. Engage your core. Your chin should remain tucked throughout the movement, as if you are holding an egg under your chin. All repetitions should begin from this position. Begin the upward movement by squeezing your abs. Curl your body off the floor toward your knees while squeezing your abs. Pause at the top of the movement. Slowly lower to the starting position while maintaining tension in your abs and repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Guys, sit up will strengthen your muscles, improve your posture, core and upper body strength. It will burn calories obviously, and it will help losing tummy fat. It also helps you to care for your back pain, and it also increases the flexibility. So keep repeating. And the third one is squat. Step to follow: stand straight and spread your legs in accordance with your hips width and keep your toes facing forward. Squeeze your abdomen while pushing your shoulder back slightly. And now take position of your hands as per your comfort. Take a deep breath. Lower your body to the floor slowly and push your hips back a little. Make sure not to bend your back to prevent your from leaning forward when squatting, and keep it straight, maintaining your squat feet position while doing so. When you reach the squat position with your thighs parallel to the floor and knees at 90-degree angle. Now take a pause, push your heel, strengthen your legs slowly and return to the standing position with exhalation. There are many variants available for squat, and these all 5 exercises you can do in like 2 sets or 3 sets with gradually you can increase the reps 10 or 20 or 30. The fourth one is push-up. There are many ways to do push-ups. You can do traditional push-up, like get down on all fours, placing your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Your feet should be together behind you and your back should be flat. Keep your abs pulled in. Strengthen your arms and legs. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Pause, then push yourself back up. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles and shoulders. And push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. The fifth one is plank. Forearm plank is very common and slightly easier than holding your body up with just your hands. Place forearms on the floor with elbows aligned below shoulders and arms parallel to your body at about shoulder width. You can do planks for 20 or 30 seconds as a beginner and gradually you can increase. So guys, these all 5 exercises you can do at home without instruments, and initially you can do like 1 or 2 sets with 10 or 20 reps and gradually you can increase day by day.
Thank you for watching my video. Keep sharing. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Fit Moral Runner, where I will regularly update videos related to cycling, fitness and running, many more. Keep blessing, keep your body fit. Thank you.